Hi, welcome to Therottenrebel and welcome back to yet another fragrance haul and welcome the one and only Gisada from the fragrance.
Hi everyone.
So it's been almost 3 months, that's crazy, since the last haul, and this is going to be a lot of fun. We have Gisada, both Ambassador and the new one Ambassador Intense. Then we have Most Wanted, the brand new Parfum. We have Ralph Lauren, Ralph's Club Parfum. We have the new Scandal. Oh my god. Kenzo pour Homme. This is also a brand new one. Missoni Wave. We have Prada Black, Prada Sport and Prada Carbon. This is going to be a good one. You know it. Let's do this. So I bought all of these and some of them are fragrances I used to have and some are brand new. So let's start with one that is brand new. This is Azzaro, the Most Wanted Parfum. I absolutely love the Most Wanted. Wanted by Night is a fantastic scent, so yeah, please do open it up. So some of the notes are ginger, woodsy notes and vanilla. Okay, I just got a whiff of it. Smells gorgeous.
Yes. This really reminds me of the original, but this is like deeper, darker and fuller in some way. It doesn't have that sparkling side that you find in the original. But this is wonderful.
Yeah, you are right. This is definitely more intense than the original. It's a bit different. I absolutely love the ginger on top. It has a bit of sweetness to it.
Yes.
It's woody. I absolutely love this one. And I'm gonna say it right here, right now, that I believe this one will end up being an even better compliment getter than the original.
I think that this is kind of like a mix between Most Wanted by Night and the Most Wanted.
So the next one is one that a lot of you guys suggested me to get my hands on. So I bought Gisada's Ambassador for Men. And I also bought the latest one, which is Ambassador Intense. Let's start with Ambassador. Please do open it up.
Yes, and this is fun because I have also had so many comments about this one and people want me to try it out and get my opinion on it.
So the notes are apple, cardamom, green mandarin, violet, mango, oh my, black pepper, lavender, patchouli, peony, vanilla, amber, vetiver, teakwood, and moss.
I get it. I understand why so many likes this one and wants us to try it. It's really good. It's kind of spicy, it's fruity, it's kind of sparkling ambery in a way. Beautiful.
And I believe some have commented on my video saying that this reminds them in some ways of Sauvage.
Something like Sauvage, but this is definitely more fruity. And that mango note and the apple is probably what does the magic here.
Yeah, this is a good scent. So is it another Sauvage? There's something in it that does remind me of Sauvage, but it feels a bit different and I do enjoy the difference.
Yes.
I do think, at least based on my first impression, that this is a really nice scent. How about you?
I think this is wonderful, and if you are one of those who doesn't want to wear Sauvage because everyone has it, but you still want to smell really good, you could just go with this one and you will have something Sauvage-like, which means that most people will absolutely love how you smell, but you won't smell like anyone else.
So next up we have Prada Luna Rossa Black. So now I used to have it, I finished my bottle of it and it was time for me to get a new one, and spoiler alert, it's pretty damn good.
I mean, I have tried this a couple of times and I think it's absolutely fabulous. I'm so happy I got it again because that means I'm gonna sniff this a lot.
So some of the notes in Prada Luna Rossa Black are bergamot, angelica, patchouli, coumarin, amber and musk. How do you feel about it?
No, I love this. No, you can't have it.
Okay, okay.
This is so good. This is so wonderful. This really has that beautiful aromatic freshness, but with more depth, more darkness to it. Yeah, this is really sexy.
Yeah, I agree on the sexy part. I mean, all of the Luna Rossas are extremely well made and extremely popular. They are mass appealing scents that truly pulls in the compliments. I absolutely love this one and I really enjoy it that this one is quite different if you compare it to, for example, the original Luna Rossa.
Yeah.
So first impression, love.
No, I already love this one, and I really do think that this is just as versatile as the Prada Luna Rossa.
So next up we have yet another Luna Rossa, and yeah, I got them all. This is Luna Rossa Carbon. Please do open it up. So we have bergamot, pepper, lavender, metallic notes, coal, watery notes, soil tincture, and broxen and patchouli.
Wow. Whoa, I don't think that the...
Is this first time, by the way?
This is the first time.
Okay.
The smell is wonderful, but it's not that strong. And I sprayed like 4 or 5 sprays on the test strip. Maybe
But
it's
this
better
one,
on skin.
Yeah, definitely better on skin, and it does need some time to sort of open up.
Yeah, but it's definitely good, and maybe a bit green and earthy.
Yeah, definitely.
Unlike the others.
Yeah, here you go. I tried it on my skin. A bit better, right?
Oh yes. Yeah.
So it does have a big dose of something fresh and something earthy and something that to me brings some sort of a sweetness to it. I think this is a gorgeous scent.
Yes. This is like, the earthy side is kind of like wet soil. Yeah, I think this is amazing. It's very versatile, it's very likable, but it's still really unique and definitely stands out from other fragrances.
So I think you and I should pretty soon do a comparison between all the Luna Rossas. But like right here, right now, if you compare black with carbon, which one would you choose?
I love black, so I would go with black.
So next...
Wait. This one deserves a drum roll.
It does, yeah.
Let's go.
Whoa, yeah. Scanda pour Homme. This is the brand new Parfum. So I love the original, and this one was super hard to find. Please do open it up. So we have geranium, tonka bean, and sandalwood.
That sounds just like everything you need, I think.
And I believe the original was also like a 3 or 4 or 5.
And look at that. You did what you always do. He always goes for the biggest bottle.
Yeah, this one is one that I just needed to have the biggest damn bottle.
Yeah, because you don't have hundreds of bottles already.
Please do spray it on.
Spray it on.
Spray it on.
I'm gonna spray this on.
I can't wait to hear how you feel about it.
Okay, you get to start. This is your day. Oh, I got the whiff. Oh my god.
So it's definitely different to if you compare it to the original.
Yes.
And I don't pick up that intense kind of sweetness that was in the original.
It's almost like, you know, those hard fruit caramels.
No, I don't. I actually, any hard candies is not my favorite.
Excuse me, are you trying to tell me that there is one kind of candy in this world that you don't know about because you eat more candy than anyone I know?
Yeah, but I do not eat hard candy. I just want the soft ones. So this one reminds you of something sweet and slightly fruity, or...
Fruity and sweet. Definitely has similarities with the original, but not as extremely sweet and not so caramel toffee sweet.
Yeah, I like this one a lot. And I do feel that this one is a great flanker to the original. I really enjoy that they decided to do something quite different instead of just doing same.
Yeah, and I just want to right here, right now say that if you are going to do a comparison, I have to be in it.
Yes. So next up we have Missoni Wave. We have sea notes, Sicilian mandarin, citruses, lavender, clary sage. Then we have rosemary, Egyptian pelargonium, vanilla orchid, Haitian vetiver, patchouli, and oak moss.
This is not going so good. This smells exactly like something I have smelled before. Maybe something from Acqua di Gio, or maybe something in the cool water line. Something along those lines.
Yeah. To me, it's sort of like a freshie with some depth to it, a slight hint of something sweet, something aromatic, something citrusy fresh. Really nice, super easy to wear.
A perfect gift for someone. If you want to buy a fragrance for someone and you don't know what he likes, you just get this one because this is something that I think most people like.
So the next one is going to be super interesting because I've stayed away from Kenzo for quite some time. This is my first Kenzo in a long time, and I believe, at least I hope, this is going to be another awesome blind buy. I'm quite good at blind buying, by the way.
You actually are, and I haven't tried something or anything from Kenzo for like years.
So we have sea notes, leather, and patchouli.
So I know that you are a leather freak.
I am.
And I'm surprised that Kenzo has one with leather, because I'm thinking like light, fresh fragrances from them.
But I mean, the note combo, if this is like marine aquatic with leather, then and well done, then I'm gonna be super happy.
Yes. And wow,
You
this
like
is
it?
really cool.
This is like leather,
Yeah.
but with, I mean, I can pick up something that is sort of aquatic, but to me it's not super fresh aquatic,
No.
like let's say Acqua di Gio aquatic or something like that. This is something different with the depth of the leather.
Yeah, I think this smells like leather, Coca-Cola, and some lemon in it.
Ooh, I really enjoy this one, and I'm really happy I got it. And maybe I am going to check out a Kenzo Homme. I believe there's EDT Intense and something else in this collection. If you have tried any of those and believe based on that I enjoy this one that I would enjoy those, please do put it in the comments. So I'm really happy that I decided to try a Kenzo. I think this might lead me to exploring more, especially in this sort of a collection.
I think so, and what I do think is so funny about this one is that you have hundreds of fragrances.
Yeah.
But this really brings something new to your collection.
Definitely. So we have 3 more to go, and we are back with yet another Luna Rossa. This is Luna Rossa Eau Sport. Please do open it up, spray it on. I used to have this one. I used to love it. I hope you are going to enjoy it as well. Have you tried it, by the way?
Maybe, I don't remember.
So some of the notes in this one are juniper berries, ginger, lavender, vanilla, and tonka bean.
Oh, this has something that reminds me of the freshness in Montabacco Intensivo from Hormone Jane.
Okay.
And that's like a totally different kind of fragrance, but like that green, airy, cool freshness.
So this one to me feels like a sort of a lighter version of the original, and I can definitely pick up the original in this one. Now, which one is the best? I still believe that the original Luna Rossa, at least to me, is the more sort of attractive and sexier one. But there's a twist to this scent that I really enjoy, and yeah, I'm going to use this a lot, like right now at least, as sort of a gym scent or whenever I want a fresh scent on me. But I really look forward to wearing this next summer.
Yes.
What's your verdict on this one?
So I was thinking that the original Prada Luna Rossa is great at the gym, but you can wear that one even for dates. But this one is something I would definitely enjoy smelling on a man in the gym.
So next up we have Ralph Lauren Ralph's Club. This is the Parfum version, and I believe both you and I tried this at the store, and both of us really liked it. The notes are lavender, apple, grapefruit, clary sage, geranium, orange blossom, vetiver, patchouli, Virginia cedar, and cashmere.
I would say that it's kind of close to the original, but right now I think that maybe it's a bit more interesting than the original.
Yeah, so I can pick up the original in it, but this one feels way more fuller, more nuanced. It feels more complex, and maybe also a bit of sweetness or something to it.
Yeah.
Obviously, I like it a lot because I already tried it, and that's the reason why I bought it. I wanted it in my collection. But how do you feel about it right here, right now?
I would maybe do like this. If I didn't have any one of them, I would try both, and I would go for the one that I loved the most. Maybe I wouldn't get both because I do think they are a bit too close to feel that it's necessary to have both.
Okay, I actually feel that if you really enjoy the original and want a more fuller and in some ways a bit more interesting version of it, then definitely get both. I'm super happy to have both in my collection, and I am
disagreeing with me.
Yeah, I am disagreeing with you, yes.
That's okay.
And I'm really looking forward to doing a review on this one. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And now it's time for the last one.
Oh no!
Ambassador Intense from Gisada. So this is, I think, the latest version of Ambassador. I'm not sure, but I think it is. I think this one was released in 2022. So the notes are Guatemalan cardamom. Oh my god, I'm not gonna read all that. So many notes.
Yeah, I'm going to love this, and I think it's wonderful.
Ooh.
This is really unique. It's fabulous.
Yeah, and this is actually quite different from the original Ambassador Intense. And based on this first impression, I mean, the Ambassador was a really nice scent, but there's something straight away something super seductive,
Yes.
super sexy in this one. I really like it.
Yeah, I was just before you said super sexy, I was about to say this is super sexy. This is, I mean, the fruity mix, the floral mix, that incense, the leather. I mean, come on. This is really good.
Yeah, this is a stunning scent. So a massive double, I was gonna say triple thumbs up, but I only have two, so...
Quadruple.
Quadruple thumbs up. I really enjoy it. You seem to love it as well.
Yes.
So sometimes we wrap up these fragrance hauls by choosing, based on our first impressions, our 3 favorites.
Yes.
So I know this is going to be really hard. Which are your 3 favorites from this haul?
I'm gonna do like this. Stop me if you can, but I think that you are going to allow me. So...
Hey, you're cheating. This is 4.
No, but
okay.
I'm doing like this.
Okay.
This is one I have tried before, and I absolutely love it. I think it's amazing. So this is one that I am so happy you got in this haul. So I want to mention it.
Okay.
But it's not
like an honorary mention.
Yes. Okay. So now I have picked out 3, and I need to go with Scandal because I really love Scandal, the original, and I think this one might be even better. I am blown away by Gisada Ambassador Intense. This is amazing. Yeah. And I can't believe that we haven't smelled this earlier. I'm like, you have all of the best fragrances, but you haven't got this one. That's incredible. And this, I mean, this brings something new to the table. Yeah, this is absolutely something like nothing I have smelled before. So these are my top 3.
So I usually cheat myself. So even though we say like, okay, top 3, I usually pick like 5, but I'm not gonna have any honorary mentions this time because I honestly could have picked a lot of them. But top 3 right here, right now. The new Scandal, I really enjoy it. This one, Ambassador Intense, mind-blowing. I absolutely love it. And then I truly enjoyed the new Azzaro Most Wanted Parfum. So I would love to know if you have tried any of these. How do you feel about them? Put them in the comments. Make sure you like this video. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you head on over to Gisada Ambassador Fragrance channel. I'm gonna link to her channel in the description below. Sub to her, sub to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.